Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing another galaxy stretching across it. Vast, luminous, and terrifyingly close. For billions of years, the Milky Way and the Andromeda galaxy have been silently drifting toward each other in a slow cosmic dance. But one day they'll collide, and when they do, everything we know about the night sky will change forever. Right now, Andromeda is over 2.5 million light-years away, a shimmering spiral of stars visible from Earth with the naked eye. But every second, it's moving closer at nearly 110 kilometers per second. That's faster than any rocket we've ever built. And this collision isn't science fiction, it's a scheduled event. In about 4 billion years, our two galaxies will merge in a cosmic spectacle unlike anything humanity has ever imagined. When Andromeda's halo of stars first touches ours, the sky will transform. Stars will smear across the heavens like glowing brushstrokes. Massive tidal forces will distort the shapes of both galaxies, stretching them into long, glittering arcs. But don't worry, space is vast. Most stars will never collide. Instead, they'll pass through one another in a cosmic ballet of light and motion. Our solar system, however, may not escape unscathed. The gravitational tug-of-war could fling us into a new orbit, maybe deeper into the merged galaxy or out into the void. The Sun's siblings, stars that once shared our spiral arms, will scatter across space like cosmic confetti. For hundreds of millions of years, our sky will be ablaze with new constellations, nebulae, and supernovae as gas clouds collide and trigger bursts of star formation. Eventually, the chaos will settle. The Milky Way and Andromeda will fuse into a single, enormous elliptical galaxy, what astronomers call Milkomeda. Our skies will no longer show graceful spirals, but a glowing core filled with billions of aging stars. If any distant civilization still looks up then, they'll see a softer, dimmer sky, the echo of two galaxies that once were. By then, our sun will be nearing the end of its life. Earth, if it still exists, will likely be scorched, its oceans boiled away long before this galactic merger. But the atoms that once made us, our carbon, oxygen, and iron, will live on. They'll drift through the new galaxy, becoming part of future stars, planets, and maybe even new life. So, when you gaze at Andromeda tonight, remember you're not just seeing another galaxy. You're looking at our future. The night sky isn't static. It's a living story written in light, one that will end and begin again in a grand cosmic embrace.